How are we doing, guys? Back for another pattern detail for Chung. This one I think is going to end up with probably part 4, which is this one, part 5 and a part 6 as well. So this is the first pattern that's been broken up into more than 5 bits, just because I want to be very, very specific on, again, footwork. This pattern's all about footwork. Okay? In the last 3 sections of this pattern. Okay, so the bit we're covering today is once you have finished, what a ginormous bee. Once you've got past the halfway point, you've done these bits, yeah, that back fist, the draw and the punch, okay? And again you continue back toward the back effectively. You've got double support blocks, recoil and punch, big back leg side kick, and then rinse and repeat. And again, stance changes and landings and stuff like that. Now, I will own up to this, I am not warm, okay, so my side kicks are going to be very gentle. Okay, I've not done any warming up, I have not done any jogging, I have not done any stretching. Now, I can already tell by that one kick I did then, I thought, oh, it's quite tight. Okay, so forgive my side kicks, please. What we're going to do is this. Because it would all normally go that way, which is what you've just seen, I will do it from the side so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll also do it that way so you can see me coming forwards. Okay, so again, we'll run it from the beginning. So I would have been here, I would have gone bow, Chung V, my Chung V, I would have done my opening combinations, chop, kick, press, opposite side, chop, kick, press, going toward the front, knife, elbow, double up, double under, turn and cross, outside 1, 2, 3, step across 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you want details on any of that section, please go to the previous 3 detail videos that I've already done for Chung. Yeah, I am not recapping. Okay, from that reverse punch, okay, I'll go from here, I'm going to come in, yeah, like front foot, right foot comes in, I prep ready and come into my front stance and my supported middle block. Yeah, we've seen these before in previous patterns. Okay, comes across, bam, here. V shape. Here is my middle block, a standard middle block. My backhand just connects at the elbow. Yeah, fist to joint. I am not underneath, I'm not behind, I'm not capping it open hand, I'm not pressing like this. Okay, I go close knuckles, and I'm here. Okay, that for me, I've got quite a bony elbow. That bony bit there connects in between my knuckles and fingers on the other hand. I know exactly where it is. Okay, and I know it means that I've got a nice square shape here. I'm not buckled in, I'm not over flexing, I'm not got one higher than the other. Yeah, it's square and complete in my front stance. From there, again, watch when my footwork changes. From here, middle blocking hand drops to front rib. Yeah, I get it all prepped. At the same time, my supporting arm extends. Okay, so again, prep, I shoot into my back stance from here, punch. Okay, angle body, hand comes back stance. Okay, standard down the centre, solar plexus punch. I must do the stance change as my punch goes out. Please, 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 please do it that way. Okay, I don't want to see anyone going 1. Okay, you prep it before you do your stance change. Okay, I'll do that one more time. Okay, front stance, ready, change. It all changes off at the same time. Okay, once I'm there, like I say, forgive my side kicks. Okay, rear leg, big side kick. I'm going into my front stance with another support block. Okay, draw, and it whips as my hips change and go into my front stance. Okay, ow! Oh, that's not warm. Okay, and then rinse and repeat. I prep, and then turn my hips and punch. Okay. Then there is your next side kick, and you're going to go into a back stance guard. Now that back stance guard will become the first move of the next video. Okay. Do it one more time. One more time and I do it once more forwards as well. Okay? But listen to what I'm saying about stances as I go. Okay? Done this bit. Yeah, back fist draw punch, and I'm going to the back. Front stance. Prep. Back stance. Kick. Front stance. Prep. Back stance. Kick. Raise. Pattern guard. Okay? So like a knife block, your hands closed. Okay? That's it for this one. That's quite a quick detail, to be honest. None of the moves in that are particularly difficult. You've seen them all before. But again, it's the way you're doing them, and it's the footwork that's important. For this kata in particular, okay, Chung is full of awkward footwork and stance changes which you've not really done previously, not in the quantity and like in consecutive combinations the way this pattern is. Okay, oops, it's off. Yeah, so do bear that in mind. Okay, be very, very conscious of what your feet, your weight, and your legs are doing. Okay, throughout the entire pattern. Okay, we'll go into part 5 next, and that'll be the next little combination. Okay, I want to break this right down because they're awkward and a bit complex. Have fun, enjoy, stay safe.